Good morning, everybody. This is the fifth vlog from The Anxious Kid. My name is Kabir, and I hope you were enjoying the previous four vlogs. Now I'm in the Bevichelli campus in one of the rooms, and this room is very special for me. So, why is this room special for me? Because I have been an active part of Kazamsa AMU. I was the first active Indian of this organization, and it's been almost 1.5 years since I've been in this organization. And most of our activities, most of the interviews, or any kind of activity happened here in this room. It's on the fifth floor. It's on the fifth floor on the library side, and I'm coming here after a very long time, and it just feels so nostalgic. The moment I stepped inside, I was reminded of all the good things that have happened to me here. My first meeting in Kazamsa happened here. I was sitting somewhere over there, and oh man, I'm feeling so fresh. So, I'm heading off towards my obstetrics and gynecology class, and apparently, all of a sudden, Astana has seen a sudden drop in temperature. So, I would have to walk very carefully outside here. So, I hope that I don't slip. It will be very embarrassing to slip, and then I'll get late as well. So, I'll meet you when I reach the class. Goodbye.
ये है 2.5 किलो का
The class is over. We are off to the gym, which is in the Bebechlik campus. It's snowing here, and it's snowing pretty badly. मतलब फ्रीक्वेंसी बहुत ज़्यादा है स्नो पार्टिकल्स की, बट उनका साइज़ बहुत छोटा है, एंड उसकी वजह से देर आर माउंट्स ऑफ स्नो, एंड चलना तक मुश्किल हो रहा है. सी दिस इज़ ऑलमोस्ट व्हाट 4 feet. Yeah, this is almost 4 feet of snow which has collected over the past night, I think. पूरा snowstorm है यार, और गीला वाला snowstorm है. Wind speed जब मैंने लास्ट चेक किया तो वो था 40 km/h समथिंग, एंड आई थिंक अभी भी ऐसा ही कुछ होगा. बट इट इज़ अ गस्ट, इट इज़ नॉट अ विंड. गस्ट इज समथिंग जो आती है जाती है, लाइक योर एक्स.
क्या बोला तूने?
लाइक योर एक्स. एंड विंड इज़ लाइक योर वाइफ और योर हस्बैंड और योर पार्टनर. सो वो रहती है. दीज आर गस्ट्स, एंड गस्ट ज़्यादा तंग करती है बिकॉज आप बार बार अपने बाल सेट करते रहो, फिर ख़राब होंगे, फिर सेट करो, फिर ख़राब होंगे. तंग होता है इंसान. I had styled my hair so properly in this direction, and now these idiots have gone in this direction, and now they are going left and right, and now we have the wind. We seriously have a wind right now. I'm sorry gust, I'm sorry wind.
हाँ भाई आगे स्वाद.
But let's go inside. Oh man, I'm sure it's almost 50 km/h, or it should be more than that. I'm not able to hold my phone properly either. Let's go inside. So after that gruesome weather outside, I've come inside, and I'll just go inside the gym. This is the lock. So these are all lockers. That's the best I can show you right now because there are some locals who are changing their clothes. And inside the gym it's very loud. A lot of students are there, so I cannot show you right now. But I'll try to make a time lapse, and I hope you enjoy that. We are done with the gym for today. It was a nice yoga session that lasted for almost 40 minutes. Then I had my own set of exercises which I had to do for stretching and all. And it was finished off by a 6-minute treadmill run on 10% inclination. So indeed a nice productive day in terms of exercise. Now let's sit back home. It is a snowstorm, baby. Oh man, हद ठंड है यार, और हद से ज़्यादा snow. Look at my specs. I hope the camera is able to do some justice. I really need a wiper on my spectacles now. Oh man. We have to go somewhere there to get our bus. So in the previous vlog, if you remember, I was almost at the same place and I was telling that I am going back to my hostel. That going back to the hostel thing is still true. But look, I know I'm talking a lot about snow, but it is a lot of snow. And it's been what, a couple of days since that was shot. So we were at this cafe. It is very near to my hostel, and I'm joined with Dheeraj and Farah is behind the camera. So she does not like to be in front of the camera. Let's respect her privacy. But kudos to her. She's shooting this vlog, and now I have my दूर का son Dheeraj with me. Dheeraj, मजा आया?
बहुत अच्छा था।
मुझे भी मजा आया, इसे भी मजा आया, एंड आई एम श्योर फराह को भी मजा आया था। थैंक्स सर, आप फोन कट कर दें। Well, this brings us to the end of today's vlog and today's day as well. It was a nice, lovely day, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If yes, then the like, share, and subscribe button should be somewhere here. Other than that, I'm on Instagram at @Schrödinger. I'm not active at all there, but my life in Kazakhstan has been well documented there. So you can follow me there. Other than that, let's start one more new thing through this vlog, which is that I'll be suggesting you one new song with every vlog, and today's song has been mentioned in the description. Its YouTube link should be in the description as well. Let's support indie music, let's support new artists, or some songs which I like personally and which I think you might not have heard before. So yes, with that, I'll end this vlog today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, take care.